Don't miss it. You come up a bit, son. Come on now. When you're ready. Oh, right.
Okie doke.
He's wanting a yard and a half run at it.
When you're ready.
Wait till his grandma says what he's doing to her car.
Whose is that car?
Eh? The mother-in-law's.
Is it MOT'd?
Why, aye. It's got nearly a year on. I know a man who's a tester.
Aye, blind man, galloping horse.
No, my fucking eyes are alright, just the rest of us what's dying.
Oh, you can do extras, but your times don't count.
What are you going to tell your grandma?
Never been raced so bad.
That was quicker, 42. There you go.
Little shit.